Stop scrolling, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn how ordinary people in the USA are building $10,000 per month in just 90 days. No crypto, no dropshipping hype, no fake gurus. Just a proven system used by real entrepreneurs. This strategy was shared by a passive income expert who has built multiple seven-figure businesses. And the most shocking part is this: you don't need a big audience, you don't need investors, and you don't need to quit your job today. Point 1. The biggest lie about business. Most people believe this lie: follow your passion and money will follow. In reality, passion does not pay bills. Profit comes first, passion comes later. Successful entrepreneurs in the USA don't chase dreams first. They chase problems people are already paying to solve. Point 2. How smart people pick a business idea. Here's the rule: don't invent something new. Look for what is already working and make it better, faster, or more convenient. Cleaning services, online coaching, local digital services, AI-powered tools. Boring businesses make exciting money. Point 3. Validation before perfection. This is where most people fail. They plan for months, they build websites, they design logos, and they never make a single dollar. Smart entrepreneurs validate first. One simple ad, one simple offer, one simple test. If people click, message, or buy, you're on the right path. Point 4. The $10,000 math. Very important. Let's break this down. $10,000 per month is not complicated. 100 customers paying $100, or 20 customers paying $500. High-income skills plus simple offers equal scalable income. Point 5. Why AI changes everything. Today, AI works like a free employee. It writes content, it edits videos, it answers messages, it builds systems. The people who learn AI now will dominate the next decade. Point 6. Fear is the real enemy. The biggest enemy is not money, it's fear. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of looking stupid. But here's the truth: nobody is watching you. Everyone is too busy worrying about their own life. Point 7. Why 90 days is enough. 90 days is powerful. It's short enough to stay focused and long enough to see real results. Consistent action every single day beats motivation every time. Final message: retention ending. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need luck. You need one decision: to start and not quit. If you want more real strategies like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment the word START, because your future self will thank you for it.